You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this abbreviation used by flight attendants and pilots in aviation. ABP, or in aviation terms Alpha Bravo Papa, which stands for able-bodied passenger, those who can help in case of an emergency, an ABP or Alpha Bravo Papa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.